Hey guys, what's going on? This is Alex again with another video for Affil Coin. So in this video I wanted to show you guys, now that we've created our Affil Coin wallet, how do we buy the coin? How do we actually do this? One of the best ways that I've found to do this is through a website called P2pax.com. It is a P2P exchange where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, specifically Affil Coin. So one of the things we need to do is we need to sign up, right? We need to do our registration. So I want to take you guys through that process of just how it looks like and what you're going to need to do to start working with it. So here we have our sign up form. Again, very, very simple. Email address. Please use your own email address. Don't use mine. You will not receive the activation to start using it. And then pick a username. I'll use my standard default if I can make my fingers work correctly. And a password. No, it looks like this one does not have any specific requirements for the password. I'm sure it has to be uppercase letter, lowercase letters, and some digits. Yep, that looks, special symbols. Okay, so thanks for the update there. We need to update the password. So capital letter, special character, and numbers. I think that should do it. Yep. Now that the red text has gone away, I know that I've fulfilled all the requirements there. So just need to replicate the password there. Special character. All right, that looks good. Referral code we do not need. P2pax does not need a referral code, so please do not worry about this. Check the boxes saying you've read the terms. Click to verify that you're not a robot. All robots together, we're going to say I on 3, 2, 1. No robots in the room. Okay, that's good. So once we've done all that and registered that we're actually humans, click on the registration. And then we are all done. Now remember, the email address that you gave them, they will be sending you an email with an activation link. This is important. You cannot skip this step. You must activate the account or you cannot use. So, once you get the email, go back in and then you'll be able to log in with your credentials. So, that just about wraps it up. You can see the current time and current date, February 3rd, 2 o'clock in the morning. I am in Bangkok right now as the coronavirus is still spreading through China. My government said that it was a good idea for me to leave the country until further notice, so I took their advice. So please make sure, do not risk it. Please wear face masks and wash your hands at all times. Even if you're secluded over in Eastern, Western, Southern, Northern Europe, wherever, and you say, well, the coronavirus hasn't come here yet. Keyword, yet. Okay, so please, 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 I love you guys all very, very much. Wear a face mask till this thing is over. Alright, that about does it for me here. Please remember to click on the links below. The notification is the little bell next to the subscribe button. Please like, subscribe, everything. If you have any questions or comments about how to do this, or if I miss a step, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.